So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to change the language of text here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is obviously go into Microsoft Word. And for example, I will just type in, this is an English document, just like that. So as you can tell, the text right now is in English. Now, if you want to change this to another language, change the entire document and change how you're texting, or I guess writing to another language is fairly straightforward. Go to the top left here to where it says home. Slide this all the way to the right until you come across review right here beside mailings and view. Press on review. Then at the top here, it says translate and language. You want to go ahead and press on the language tab right here. Now, as you can tell, this is on English Canada, English Canadian, as you can probably tell. But if you wanted to change this, for example, into another language, we'll just go ahead for this example and type in French right here. I'll then press on OK. And now when you type in French, this is a French document. Just like that, your whole language now is going to be in French. So as you can tell, is underlined or highlighted right here. You can go ahead and tap on that and you can change that to whatever you want. And you can kind of go around it this way. So if you're speaking another language through your document, you can go ahead and just type it the way it would be in that language. And the spelling mistakes and the grammar mistakes will come up if it's presented in that language for this demonstration. So fairly straightforward, super simple, but this is how to change the language of text here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.